Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. We are back with our first vlog of the year. It is January 18th. It's Saturday. I'm actually in the process of redoing my room, changing things around, decluttering. But yeah, I've been cleaning all morning. And now I'm getting ready to go grab lunch with Nikki. She's on her way out here. We are going to go get some crab legs and a little crab boil place. And then I need to go to Target and then get back home and finish taking care of this room. So like I said, I'm in the process of cleaning. So my room is literally in shambles right now, but I'll do a quick outfit of the day. I just have on some gray leggings, my white huaraches, this smart brown girl crew neck that I actually purchased from Juicy here on YouTube. I have my fanny pack, and my wig is not laid. I need to wash my wig and redo it and stuff. So I just have my mini Mickey Mouse hat on that I got from Disneyland, hoop earrings, barefaced it today. But yeah, it's a real casual day. All right, y'all, so I'm in the car. I'm about to go pick her up from the bar station. Look at this big ghetto ass truck car. Ugh. Oh shoot, I wish y'all could have just seen that big ugly car. Like, the hyphy movement is over. Hi, friend.
Hi.
Wow, did you just really take that out of my seat?
I didn't want to mess it up.
Let me see. How was your car ride? That's why I was like, I'm gonna come eat that.
Excuse me, do you have like a fabric cleaner? Like a fabric
I was thought, I'm like, this shit can work here. Okay, I need like 15 of these.
This is what I had. All my shit.
Which
ones you get?
These ones.
Girl, you need to come to my house. I got so many because that's where I kept all my.
Alright, you guys, so my room is currently in disarray, but I'm just finishing working on my closet, so I'll show you guys the current status. So like I said, y'all, my closet is a hot mess. So here is my closet, guys. I have so many clothes, so many shoes, purses, wigs, more shoes. Like, it's just a mess. So believe it or not, it was worse than this. So I'm currently going through like my jackets and faux furs, trying to decide if I want to keep this one or give it away. I've had this one for a long time and I have not worn it in a couple years, honestly. And so this is what I struggle with. Like, I have so many clothes that I've worn like maybe once or never. If I'm not gonna wear it, I need to learn how to just get rid of it instead of holding on to it, but then I have a hard time holding on to it. I mean, I have a hard time getting rid of it because it's like it's still in good condition. Like this dress here, it's a summer dress though, and it's like a going out dress, but it's really cute. Never worn it. What is this? Oh yep, look, this dress still has the tag on it. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna continue to go through my closet. Out my closet, so all of this stuff I'm probably giving away because I just don't wear any of this stuff, and so it's like I need to learn how to get rid of it. Also found my old cheerleading stuff. This is from when I was like 6 or 7. I have my cheerleading uniforms from when I did Pop Warner, and then I also have my high school outfits. So, and then I used to praise dance too, so I have like praise dance dresses and stuff down there. So I don't want to throw that stuff away or give it away because it's like keepsake stuff. So I am gonna just put it in a bin and store it up. But we're making some progress, y'all. I pretty much got rid of everything that I'm gonna get rid of out of my closet. Now I just need to like clean up the hanger situation. All right, you guys, so today is Sunday. I want to say it's like around 2 o'clock. Yeah, I went to church this morning and ran some errands after church, and now I'm just at home like finished snapping this room back together. I still have to go back to Target. I forgot to get some stuff yesterday. I needed to pick up some hangers and I got everything but the hangers. And so yeah, I'm just still working on my room, doing some laundry so I can finish my bed. And yeah, and then later I'm supposed to go to the movies with my boyfriend. We're going to go see Bad Boys 3. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm probably gonna just let the camera run and you guys can watch me snap this closet together and the rest of this room, do my laundry, fold some clothes, all that. So yeah. So I'm pretty much done cleaning and doing my closet. It's not perfect, but it looks so much better, and I just feel so much better about it. Here is my closet, you guys. Like I said, I forgot to go to Target. Well, I forgot to get these hangers when I went to Target, so I'm still gonna go back to Target probably maybe tomorrow, so I can finish hanging up all of this stuff. But it still looks so much better, you guys. It's so much more neat. Here go all the buckets with my shoes. My shoes are all organized. This whole area down here is cleaned out. I do just have like my boots and stuff out because it is winter time, and you know, I've been wearing this stuff more frequently because it's cold. And then I have like all of my summer clothes, that like swimsuits and shorts and stuff like that. I just have it tucked up there. And I also just have like some sweaters and stuff that I've been wearing often because it is, again, it's winter time. So sweaters and stuff that I'm still wearing, I have that folded up there. And then I need to organize my purses and my wigs and stuff up there. But I was just so tired and burnt out. It just looks so much better though, you guys. Look at me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little exhausted. It's 6:15 now. We're going to the 9:30 show. So I'm about to finish editing this video. Most of it's already edited. I just need to like export it and upload it. So I'm gonna try to knock that out in like 30 minutes, and then probably take a quick cat nap, and then freshen up, and then go to this movie because I don't want to be falling asleep in the movies. It is 8:36. The movie starts at 9:20, and I think my boyfriend fell asleep. We were texting earlier. The last time he texted me was at 6:57, and so then I text him at 7:53, and I'm like, to ask what time he was gonna be here, and he never responded. So then I FaceTimed him, and he didn't answer. So I waited a little bit. He didn't call back. So then I tried calling again, and he didn't answer. And I texted him at 8:22, and I'm like, did you fall asleep? With the little eyes. And now it's 8:38, and he still haven't called me back or text me back. And I need to get up and put some clothes on, but I don't want to get him put no clothes on if he sleep. I'm gonna try FaceTime him one more time. I'm like 89.999% sure that he sleep. I'm gonna wait until like 9:20 before I wash my face off, because of just my luck, he'll text me and be like, I'm on my way. So I'm gonna give it another like 30 minutes, and if I don't hear back from him, I know he's asleep, and I'm gonna go to sleep too. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see y'all next video. That is so funny. I knew you was asleep.
I was asleep for like a good, like probably 40 minutes. Something was like...
Nah, you have to be asleep longer than that. You was asleep for at least an hour.
I tried to give myself some credit, okay? Just a little bit. Lo and behold.
I knew it. Like, as soon as, when you didn't call me back, I'm like, he is asleep. And I'm like, when was we last texting? I was like, we was for sure texting over an hour ago. I'm like, he is asleep.
Fuck this nigga. Lo and behold. Well, good, catching some knees. Then I lay down, and here we go.
Out. Your face when I answered the phone.
I was just like...
You sleeping good.